intro. Hey, welcome back guys, this is Ace. I'm recording some planes. Trying to take it off. So, and it is...
hilarious if your iPad fell out the window.
And I'm with my friend Angela. And we're going to the airport and it is 10:40 in the morning. Train number 2 will be in 3, 2, 1, woohoo, and there will be no more talking and they're taking off. So bye for now. Sit back and enjoy. Bye for now. And there will be lots more big planes. Okay, bye for now. What is this kid doing? Guys, see that plane just there in the air? That was landing, but see that plane in the air? That just took back off, like in the middle of the air. It took back off. That was getting ready to land, but then it took back off. That's weird. Look, it did take back off because it's turning back to the ocean. So now that's gonna do a whoopie whoop and turn and then go back to land over there.
No, Tony.
You don't have-
You killed it.
I'm not sure if you can see, but remember that Cathay Pacific that I was recorded that I said take back off? Well, it's landing back right now. If you can see it, right there in the middle. It's landing now. There it is, the Cathay Pacific. I took back off. It landed now. Okay, bye bye. There's also a Pacific National NR78 freight next to us, with the leading carriage, Pacific National NR808 is the leading car, and the last car is NR78. Just to let you know that. Okay, more planes to come. Bye for now.